Hi guys, imagine purchasing your dream original Samsung phones or your original iPhones or original Motorola phones without paying any cash out from your pocket anymore. Wow! You will be able to pay your dream phones by deducting it automatically from your first cycle pairing bonuses into your F-Mobile Binary Plan program. Oh wow! You only need to do is to pay the $21.99 one time joining fee. Again, one time only. No monthly fee, no auto shipment, no annual fee. And once you pay the $21.99, you can start sharing this great opportunity by referring your friends and relatives in this 21 IPP program, and you will start earnings and unlimited pairing bonuses for life. Again, for life, because this is your business forever. This is a very, very good business. Join us today. Contact the person who shared this video with you and sign up now. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.